This formula feels like an automation. Look, I just type in a name, Andrew, and it gives me an @ symbol in front of that name. Really simple text transformation, but it's all automatic, and there's no formula in sight. What's going on? And we're not using app script. Here's how to create handles automatically just by typing the name, Maribel, or even Handy. I'll show you how to create this. It's going to be all inside of this B1 cell. First thing we're going to do is equals. We're going to use curly brackets. Type in the word handle in quotes. That's going to be the header. And then we're going to use a semicolon. And we're going to use array formula here. Array formula lets us use a formula over an entire array, and each one of those cells is going to have the same thing. So we're going to type in quotes, the @ symbol, and then an ampersand, and A2, because that's the very first cell here. And the entire range of cells we want to work on is A2:A. We're going to end the array formula here, and we find if we just did that, we have a bunch of @ symbols. We don't want to show those. So inside of our array formula, we're going to type in if, parentheses, is blank, and we're going to use the same range, A2:A. Put the is blank end parentheses, then the if. So if it's true, we don't want anything. So we're going to do 2 commas. And then if it's false, meaning there is something, we want that @ symbol. Right between the last curly brackets and the last parentheses, we're going to add another parentheses for that if formula. Hit enter, and now we have this automation done. Handy, Francis, all of these are now automatically creating their handle or doing some text transformation. I think it's really cool, and I hope it helps you make your Google Sheets really awesome. If you want to make better Google Sheets, subscribe here to Better Sheets on YouTube.